Hello. So we've got enough car stuff done for a year or so, haven't we? Did that sump. A couple of people were interested in a bit of work. We'll help with this, so that's all lovely. I do need to sort out this, but I still need to sort out the drill situation. The drill at the last unit wasn't mine, so I got another drill. I got a Meddings 5-speed, which is over here. Should we turn this and then you can... So I've got this Meddings 5-speed. Meddings is the Rolls Royce of drills, so it is what you want to go for if you're into your drills, if you're into your vintage drills. And then local, another Meddings came up, but it's got a gearbox on top of it, so you end up with 10 speeds? 10 speeds, but it's all the way from like 40 to 2000 RPM or something, so it's pretty major. So I was going to have both of them and have two drills here, just because I like drills, I like old drills, so it's nice to have two of them. So everyone else will be joining gyms in the new year. I'll just quit mine. And I've got my old stuff, so I was going to kind of, it's getting a bit archfab, isn't it? I was going to put it somewhere, so I thought maybe having two drills isn't the best thing if I'm trying to fit in loads of stuff. So I think if that can go here and still be semi out of the way, then I can get a drill somewhere, maybe even if it's just by the lathe. That makes sense, and then I can tuck the bandsaw in somewhere else or get rid of it because it's crap. So this was relatively well priced, but this was very cheap. Why was it cheap? I don't know really. The stand at the back has got a bit of a crack in it. Well, it's not got a bit of a crack in it, it's got a piece that's broken off completely, so I need to try and fix that. I think if I can have a look at all of it and then fix the stand bit in this one, then we're moving in the right direction. I think I'll pull all the drill bits out, put them on the bench, and have a look at what we've got from the M4 gear head, M2 belt head. So we'll get it all on here and see what we need to fix. These are the main bits. Weight is good with old tools like this. It's a heavy goal. It's 174 kilograms assembled, which is quite a lot for just drilling holes and things, but it's nice, right? I mean, the pillar is solid steel. What's that? Couple of few inch solid steel. This is broken at some point. It's not really been fixed since. Someone's drilled a hole in here, so they can just bolt up the pillar into here, which it's not really the worst idea in the world to get things going again, but I wouldn't mind a go at trying to fix it a bit more proper. Wales sent me a present, so it's a MIG wire that I'm going to use for tigging. I can't remember what it's called. I'll put it down, I'll put it here, and it's good for cast iron repair. It's got really low shrinkage. We're going to try this little repair. So we'll get this as one piece and then we'll try it on the big bit. Pretty cool trick, right? Now I've got some 0.8mm, I think it's 0.8, yeah probably, I've got some 0.8mm TIG wire and I've got some 1.6mm TIG wire. So that's good. I'm going to use thin stuff, tack this quickly. I took the edge off so I can fit a bit more weld in there because there's no way I'm going to get 10mm penetration from both sides. So it means I can weld a little bit cooler, put more weld on there, and I'll try and tack these together and then do the full weld. Couldn't have come out any better. Can't knock that. It's a good fix. I'm happy with that. It's nice to fix things properly. It's nice to fix cast because it's notoriously difficult to fix. Hopefully it will stay together. I've ordered some paint. So underneath here it's the original grey like this one. It's going to go back to grey, which means I need to take the rivets out, take the tags off, either clean all the paint off or send it to get blasted somewhere. So I think in the next one, if we can get the painted and all the base together and the table and stuff and just leave the head to reassemble, then that's a good another 10 minutes for everyone to enjoy, isn't it?